Welcome to Selling Edge. This is Salim Sheikh here, sales training consultant and coach. Today we are going to talk about value selling, and let's get started with understanding what is value. Value is the benefits, tangible or intangible, what the customer gets by using your product and services. Now, talking about those benefits, where do they get these benefits from? The benefit that the customer gets, tangible or intangible, the sources of value. One important is the product that or the service that you are providing. It will give a value. Second source of value is the company, and third source of value is you yourself. Now we will see in depth as to how those values can be created. Now, talking about the product, we all know about FAB, feature, advantage and benefit. So let's understand this feature, advantage, benefit, because that is the key. That is what people are actually buying, the product they are buying. Now, understanding feature, advantage and benefit, let's see an example. Now you are seeing a grocery bag. Now if you look at this particular grocery bag, what is the feature of this particular grocery bag is that it is double stitched. You can see that. Now what is the advantage of a double stitch is that it is more stronger. Now customers don't buy because there is a double stitch, or they don't buy because it is stronger, but the benefit that it offers, FAB. Benefit is, you can carry more weight into that. Now customers buys the product because the benefit which the bag is offering, that they will be able to carry more into the bag. Now any product will always have a feature, advantage and benefit. So talking about those benefits, quite often salespeople focus on the features of the product, characteristic of the product, but that is not why people buy a product. They buy it because there are some benefits which are there. So need to be focusing on the benefit part of it. So that is a value creation. Second source of value, as I said, is the company itself. Now company brand, company image, what are the other things that the company activities, social activities that the company is doing. So that builds the image and the brand, and that also is a value. Sometimes customer says, okay, I'm using this company's product, this brand I'm using. So they get that emotional kick by talking about the brand. So company image can be a value. And third thing, a person themselves, you yourself. Now how do you bring a value? You bring a value by 2-3 things. One important thing is that your relationship with the customer. You have a stronger relationship with the customer, you definitely will find that the customers are getting attached to you, and because of relationship they are buying and they value it more. Second thing, the insight that you bring about, through your knowledge about the industry, about the product, about the competition, that insight is going to be useful to your customer, so they value that insight. And also the service that you provide to these customers would bring a value. So now what you have seen is that the value or the benefit that the customer gets is through 3 sources, and ensure that you are making this benefits available to the customer for them to take a buying decision. Of course, apart from that, you will have some discounts which are there. You will have some other facilities like deliveries, installation. So if anything related to product and other things are there, you will definitely add that. The aim is to see that what are the different things which are available, which I can give it to the customer, by the customer will feel happy, will get benefited, and ultimately will make a buying decision. So all the best for doing a value selling. Thank you so much.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for more professional updates follow our LinkedIn.